Hey, hey, hey. How's everybody doing? Good? Yeah? All right, cool. All right, so welcome back and thanks for coming to the show today. I appreciate it so very much, as you know. And on today's episode, I want to make one of those, I guess you call it a little side table, but I want to put it outside on my front step. It's kind of bare, you know what I mean? And it just needs a little bit of something. So I thought, let's just throw this together and see what we get. So I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit short, but I think I'm okay with that. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's see what happens. For this project, you're gonna take 2 of these pots. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They're not huge, but I think they'll do for what I want to use it for. You can do it like this, or you can go like this. I kind of like the way this looks better. Yeah, I do. So, you're going to take your Gorilla Glue or E6000. I would not use a glue gun on this. And then I also want to give it a nice little blob in the middle here. Okay. I've held this down for a while, and I think it's going to take a while longer. So we're just going to push this to the side for right now and let that dry. And now we're going to take the stove burner lid. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It came in a package of 2. There was this one and a smaller one, but I had this one left over and I spray painted it black. It had some checker pattern or some shit on there. I don't know. But anyways, and I'm not the world's best spray paint person, so my apologies. I don't know why, but do you ever just be looking at a beaver and wonder about their teeth, you know, those long teeth they have? All right, well, here's the deal I found out, okay? So they chew all the time for a reason, and that reason is because if they don't, those teeth will just continue to grow, and that's just crazy. So they chew and keep them at a decent length, all right? Also, if you ever notice, their teeth are like a orangish color, you know, it's kind of gross, you know, like, what are you doing, dude? Brush your tooth. But it's because their teeth are made with iron, and that helps to keep them really strong. And also, their teeth are acid resistant. Who knew? That's kind of cool. All right, I have just a little bit of Mod Podge left, but I want to go over the lid with some silver glitter because I think I'm going to put this outside on my front porch little area. And you know, it has to have some bling. The sun sets over there, and it makes my crystals show their rainbows, so the glitter would look cool over there. Anyways, I'm just gonna... Ugh. That's gross. Alright, let's just use... This is the biggest brush I have, I guess. I want to go somewhat quickly. Oh, you know what, man? I should have... Oh, shit. I should have put some, what do you call that? Wax paper down I know it's gonna make a mess, that's fine. I'd also like to give a shout out to Sabrina Schoolcraft for gifting this glitter to me. As you can see, it comes in really handy and I love it. So thank you. Okay. So here we are. And now we just need to let that sit for a while so it can dry as well. Okay, so this is pretty much dry right now. I don't think it's 100%, but it's good enough for right now. And then this is also pretty much done. I did go over it with a Mod Podge sealant spray that just holds the glitter. So now we're just gonna put this lid on the top here. We're gonna glue it down. All right, I think that's pretty even. I'm not sure if I want to call it just yet, because I kind of feel like maybe I want to do something through here, but I don't know what, so let me think. I have this red ribbon that I'm gonna just put around it here. You know, I don't have enough to do a bow. Or do I? Not really. So I'm just gonna tie it back here. And then that'll be the back. I think that looks cute, you know? That's good enough. And then later on, maybe I can add a little something. But for now, I think that looks good. And also, I want to tell you, I did think about this after I already shot that last part, but I don't want this to blow away, you know, with the wind. So I pulled this back off before it dried, and I put some rocks in here. So it's actually pretty sturdy now. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it out. I think I'm gonna call it for right now. And I wanna say thank you for coming to the show today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I hope that you stay safe, because from what I hear, the weather's gonna get nasty, but that's right now. And who knows when this is gonna end. So here it is, my beautiful little table out here in the cold.